Suko man ta.
Pila ba per hour, ano? Be,
5.
5 pesos? Dollars?
$5.
Oh.
I mean, $20. I mean, $10. $10. You need to pay if you want to hilot. Papa, pay. You need pay
You need to pay the papa.
if you want to hilot.
That's how much?
$10.
$10. That's a little expensive.
Which one?
It's a good massage.
Yeah.
It's a super good and relaxing massage.
Yeah. Kasi sa mahal.
Dirty. Hindi ka siya farm.
Dugay naman ni oy.
Oh, yeah, pagpiit. Is it hard?
No. Oh.
The skin? Wow. That's a really good massager. I want to get some massage too.
You need to pay.
I think after that you won't have energy anymore.
I will be.
You will be.
I will be like this, huh?
I think you're going to be a massage therapist when you grow up,
A
Nana.
girl.
Huh?
A girl. I thought I'm a boy.
Kailangan ka imong work mag-massage? You're gonna own a business massage clinic.
No.
Tanang mo doon ka na ibayan. Nagkan ka kwarta per me.
Okay, I want to massage everyone. $10. I mean, 1,000.
Ooh,
Because,
you're gonna be rich.
because there have so very many money.
Yeah.
Need 1,000.
And you give me some money when you have a lot of money na.
Only just 5. Only just 10. Only just 100. Only just 500 with 100.
That's so gamay. I give you a lot now. I'm
One
buying. I'm buying.
1,000 with 500 with
Wow.
100.
Wow.
I mean 100. 100 and 500 and 1,000.
Wow, that's a lot.
Only 1 peso.
Just kidding, Nana. Your money is your money when you grow up. Okay, I have my own money, mapod. When I have no more money na, that's when I ask from you. You save your own money. Love you.
Hindi ko tulog, guys. Ubo ang father, guys. Hindi isipon kamay.
Yeah, you're such a good baby. Muutan kaayo. Okay, hiluton si Papa. Muutan.
Papa hide this. Papa hide this.
Why are you buutan, Nana? Why are you buutan man?
Ato no.
Asa mang kaliwat? Mama? Mama? Me? Liwat ka ni Mama? Love you.
Kibutan mo ka.
Oh. Di mo ko buutan?
Butan.
Really?
Oh.
I love you, Nana. I love you so much.
Love you. thank you.
If you're tired, tama na. Stop that if you're tired. Hida-hida na. Gilot naman na siya. Tama na na. Kaya kapay ka.